Hello and welcome to this pre-recorded webinar on the co-ownership application process. I'm Niall, the Business Development Manager here at Co-Ownership, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to be talking you through the easy process of submitting your co-ownership application. First of all, a little bit about us. Co-ownership is a housing association that was founded in 1978. We are the provider of shared ownership in Northern Ireland, and since our inception, we have helped over 33,000 people into home ownership. In the last year alone, 771 of our customers were supported towards buying their home. That represents around 7% of the first-time buyer market here in the region. We have a really simple online application portal, which you can use primarily as your first option to submit your co-ownership application. However, if you prefer, you may like to submit your application through a financial advisor that may be providing you with some support on your mortgage application, or you can get in contact with us and you can arrange an appointment for one of our customer advisors to help you submit your application in person. Before you submit your co-ownership application, there are a few things that you should do just to make sure that the process is smooth and that it is quick. First and foremost, go onto our website and have a look at the criteria to check that you are eligible before you submit an application. You can also use some of the really handy tools that we have on our website that can help you understand your affordability and also how much rent you may be required to pay for your co-ownership home as well. You should also take some time to check your credit file and understand your position in terms of your borrowings, how much money you owe, and whether or not you have any adverse credit before you submit your application. And the final thing is that before you start the application process, you should check that you have all of the required documentation, things like photographic ID, pay slips, and also perhaps business accounts if that's applicable if you're self-employed. And finally, ensure that all the information that you have that you're going to provide us with for your application is correct. The co-ownership application process is a very simple 10-step process. You will initially log on to the co-ownership application portal and you'll upload details of your income and occupation and also some of your personal details as well. We will take a fee from you at that point, which is a £100 non-refundable application fee. And our customer assessors will then carry out an Experian credit check to assess your suitability initially. We will also then carry out an assessment of your circumstances financially, looking at things like your income and outgoing costs, etc. And we will arrive then at a decision at box 4 here to hopefully offer you an approval, which will be valid for a period of 4 months. That approval will be unique to you, and we will offer you an approval based on your own individual affordability up to a maximum purchase price for a home with co-ownership of £195,000. During the 4-month validity period of your approval, you can then go and look at properties that you'd like us to consider purchasing with you. And at stage 5 and 6, you will then upload details of that property that you'd like to buy, and you'll pay a further application fee of £550. That will cover the cost of a property assessment, which will be carried out by a chartered surveyor. It will also cover the majority of your legal conveyancing costs for the purchase of the property. Once our property assessment has been carried out, then at stage 8, we will issue our full offer, and that is valid for a period of 6 months. And what that essentially means is you'll have 6 months to get your mortgage application applied for, and also for the solicitor who's acting for you in the purchase of the property to carry out all of the legal conveyancing work that's required as well. Generally, it doesn't take as long as 6 months. Most of our customers will only require about 12 weeks on average to complete on the purchase of their property, and that will take you right up then to stage 10, which is where you complete on the sale of the property that we're buying with you, and you'll get the keys to your new home. Hopefully that has been a useful overview of the application process for you. If you would like some further information or you'd like to have a more detailed chat, or if there's anything that you're not sure about, then please do get in contact with us on the contact number on the screen. You can also send us an email, or if you'd like and it's convenient, you can actually call in to see us in our Belfast City Centre office. Thank you.